What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Karate Kronos 2022 XTR 2022. I ain't had this out in a while, and I just wanted to give it a quick rip. Let's get into it. Yeah, this thing, ever since I got this is, me personally, this is the best Team Karate car so far. Perfect. Woo-hoo-hoo. Only thing is their connectors. And launch the battery. This is what I'm talking about with the connectors. Because these connectors, man, they don't hold tight. They'll be right there. And she fine. A little wet out here, but she is a beast. Shit is a beast. Awfully close. Yeah, don't sleep on the Kronos XTR. This thing is a beast. Oh, whip game, dog. Oh. Yeah, I know I'm playing hardball right here. Oh, this thing is a beast. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, look at that hill over there. I think I'm gonna break it. What y'all think? I think I'm gonna break something, Dad. We gonna find out. I hear something rattling around in there. I think this that jump they had before. Came here like a year ago. Yeah, nah, that was like.
Gosh, here we go again.
But this is gonna be my last one.
Fatality.
I was doing good up until this point. Now look at it. But it survived. It was a bad crash, so it's basically my fault. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, dirty Pampers and stuff. Hit that like button, notification bell, and I'm out.